Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe for roasted radishes. It's such an easy dish to enjoy, a side dish instead of roast potatoes, or you can enjoy it as well as roast potatoes, whatever you like, but I'm going to show you how to make it, and I've written, as always, a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the step-by-step instructions as well as loads of variations for seasonings and flavorings to make these roasted radishes your own. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more yummy videos like this. Leave a like and a comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try. I look forward to read your comments. So let's get straight into it and I'll show you how to make these roasted radishes. So here they are, my radishes. I love the bright color of them. So I've got two 250 gram packages, so 500 grams in total, which is a little over a pound, and I'm just going to give them a clean, chop off the little green tops and chop them in half. Okay, the radishes are all halved. You can see you've got lots of little halves of radishes in a dish. Use as big a dish as you want to fit all your radishes in. And now we're going to add salt. You can add some pepper as well if you want. Now this is optional, but I love garlic with everything, so I have halved a few cloves of garlic which we're going to roughly pop in there. And now it's up to you whether you want to add some melted butter or coconut oil, but I'm going to go for extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to do a couple of tablespoons, generous tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over my radishes. And we'll just give it all a toss through, get the salt and the garlic distributed around, and beautiful olive oil as well. There you go, it looks nice and glossy. Now we're going to pop it into an oven which I've preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit, and it's going to go in for 10 minutes, and then we're going to toss it all around and pop it in for a final 10, or until it is cooked to our liking. So I'm just going to pop it into the oven now, and I'll show you after 10 minutes how it looks. The radishes have been in the oven for about 10 minutes now, and so I'm just going to toss them around just so they all get nice and evenly cooked. And now you can pop them straight back into the oven for a further 10 minutes, but I like everything a little bit cheesy, so I'm going to sprinkle a tiny bit of parmesan over just so that they have a tiny bit of parmesan crisp to them. If this is something you want to do, I suggest starting with a teaspoon at a time, and we're just going to very gently sprinkle over a little bit of parmesan. One more teaspoon, I reckon. It'll just give them a little bit of crispy, extra crispiness and cheesiness, and for me parmesan and radish is just such a beautiful combination. Excellent. So now it's going to go back into the oven for a final 10 minutes. There you go, they've come out the oven. How good do they look? They smell pretty amazing. They're hot and steamy. The smell of the garlic and the parmesan, and they're just such a delicious side dish. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, any adaptations you make, and remember the full blog post will be down below with the step-by-step instructions, so you can pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make this easy roasted radish recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.